King, if The Rock didn't run over Stone Cold, then who did? Who's going to step
Now,
forward?
Mick, if you need even further clarification, let The Rock tell you in Chinese.
And look at
Chinese?
Ding bong ding dong, he's Stone Cold.
ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
As a jewelry enthusiast, you know I like to find unique items to showcase on the channel. It's hard because I've showcased a lot of different things based on my interests, but I found the website called Skull Bliss. Skull Bliss.
What the hell is even that?
That apparently offers hand-carved rings out of antlers.
Oh.
Now, I'm from New York. What am I supposed to know what true, authentic antlers feel like? I can tell you what a rat looks like. Roaches, expert. But antler horn? Not so much. Just touched down from Asia, and we're gonna be unboxing it and looking at this joint together and seeing, one, if it feels like any sort of antler-ish material, or does it look good for something that's allegedly hand-carved? Let's roll my music and see if I spent 80 some odd dollars on something that's hand-carved that looks like ass.
I'm kind of a big deal.
Blessed morning, my beautiful peoples. You know who it is. It's your boy, C to the U to the B today. Again, finding unique items to showcase on the channel for all of our jewelry enthusiasts and accessory needs. I'm gonna be adding more elements of accessories to this channel. As my audience, I see that jewelry, I have my fragrance channel, they all kind of coincide. It's all about like men's fashion, accessorizing and things of that nature, my eyewear obsession. So I'm gonna be adding more context to this channel outside of jewelry that I think a decent amount of people who are into fragrance, jewelry, sunglasses will kind of assimilate to, because they all harmoniously link under the same shit. We wanna look fly. Let's go! So, unboxing it, taking it out of the cellophane. This says Monaco jewelry, which is different because that's not the website. The website is Skull Bliss. So I guess Skull Bliss is outsourcing this to this jewelry manufacturer or brand, which is going to be my assumption. Now, if you're gonna call Mapogo jewelry, let me look that up, because that's why I order something from Skull Bliss, but I get it from this brand. Interesting, when I type into Google Mapogo jewelry, it takes me to an IG page, and the Mapogo jewelry page has like men's premium silver vermeil jewelry, kind of like a lot of the other websites that we know and have showcased on this channel. So I'm kind of like handmade. Handmade my ass, but let's see. Mapogo jewelry by Skull Bliss? Already this smells that Asian formaldehyde kind of smell. It's looking kind of authentic, whatever that means. It definitely has this stone accent look to it. Let's unbox this joint here. I guess I got it in a size 8. Oh, okay. So I got this compass style ring. Let's unbox this joint. First, I want to see if it has a smell. Like, does it smell like antler? What does antler smell like? Bowinkle?
Who?
Let's see how it feels. Okay, very light. It's very light. Has a different style texture for sure. Has a bit of fragility also. It feels like it would be kind of fragile. It almost feels like shaved bar of soap in a way. I don't know, is this antler for real? Again, I don't know what antler feels like, but there is a level of smoothness here, but it also feels type plasticky. I'm not saying it is plastic, but it definitely has this plasticky style texture. It's finished very nicely for something that's allegedly hand carved or handmade. There is elements here that do feel of fabricated already by some sort of machinery. It is very smooth. There's no sharp edges here. It's a cool looking design, don't get me wrong. I like the compass aspect, but I don't know. Maybe it's just me and maybe just my lack of trust. Something is kind of raising a little bit of red flags. And again, it's my lack of knowledge in this space, but it does feel very plasticky. Now, size 8 surprisingly fits me very well here. Okay. This is definitely tighter than a size 8. So if you decide to get one of these rings, understand that they run a little bit on the tighter side, because this finger is slightly under size 8. This being a size 8, it definitely, as you can see there, kind of fits me a little bit snug. It has some height, has some volume, has some details here, almost like tiki style carving on the side of it, and on this side, same kind of deal. The thing is, with some of these jewelry brands that are overseas, or these IG style jewelry brands, like, I do get skeptical because a lot of things are outsourced, and not that there's a problem with it, but when you meticulously call something handcrafted and then you buy it under a brand and then you get a different brand's name, unless they're the same ownership or same company, and then I'm not an expert in this piece, so it also feels, see, like this, like, is there a way to take care of antler horn jewelry? Would there be like a cleaning kit? Like, how do you even clean this thing? Comes also with that polishing style cloth that a lot of the Chinese and Asian jewelry comes with. I don't dislike the piece. I'm just, there's some red flags that arise for me as far as its authenticity of what they're claiming it is. I could be absolutely wrong. That's just opinion based. Structurally, I think it's nice. It doesn't blow me away. I expected, I don't know, a little bit more girth or heft out of the ring. It's extraordinarily light. Let me see how much it weighs. 6.3 grams. I don't know, like, I'm kind of underwhelmed. I don't feel that I got like $80 worth. Like, it doesn't feel like if I just drove down south or I went over to Texas and shit and you got it from like a roadside place that got like heads and shit hanging off the wall, that I would feel a little bit more confident of it. But buying things on the internet is always a gamble. Aesthetically, kind of cool looking. It does have some texture. It has some marbling style here, some discoloration, which does lend to the authenticity of possible antler horn, my assumption. It has this compass style look. There are some refinement and details within there, and there are some levels of imperfection in this piece which also lend to it potentially actually being hand carved, but I have my doubts and I'm a little underwhelmed personally. Again, once I start seeing things that kind of give me a red flag, I kind of just go with my gut. So for me, it's kind of just underwhelming, not amazing. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Do you guys want me to do a giveaway? Put it in the comments below. Have you had any experience with Skull Bliss website, and have you gotten pieces from them, and what are your thoughts on them? For me, it's just okay, not 80 some odd dollars worth in my opinion. But you be the judge, and maybe we'll do a giveaway and give it to one of y'all if you're a size 8. I love y'all mother suckers from the heart. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all stitches next time. Leave in the comments below what additional type of content you guys would like to see going forward, and maybe we'll implement it to switch it up a little bit and keep it a little exciting. Smooches.
For the fly gun holder, money folder, motor roller, start tag when it's time to call back. For the rough, rugged, and raw way, this nigga Jay, it's a game, but he don't play. Hey, for all the chicks that got dead in the penthouse suite on top of my mom's crib. It's nonsense you never get in. It's nonsense that you would think that